Welcome to Nimt, the easiest way to track and boost your visibility in ChatGPT, AI overviews, Perplexity, and all other major LLMs. Step 1 to get started is basically just to enter your URL. Today we go with Nike.com, then choose your language. This decides which language our first prompts are generated in, and you can pick any language, no matter your plan. Next, you select your country. That tells us where to send traffic from. You can choose from over 105 countries, and we're adding more all the time, thanks to our proxy network. Then you just create your account. You can sign up in seconds with Google or Microsoft, or use email and password. No credit card required, totally free to use, no strings attached. And that's it. You'll start seeing your visibility within seconds. From there, we run your prompts once a day so you can track how your brand's presence evolves over time. Simple, fast, insightful, that's Nimt. Welcome. Now that you're in, you can track how AI recommends your brand and your competitors. You'll see AI visibility, share of voice, ranking, and AI brand strength, all within one dashboard. You can also explore the sources each AI model uses to shape its answers. Let's take a look at prompt management. This is prompt management. Here you will see exactly which prompts we send to the AI models each day. The first prompts you see here were automatically created by Nimt.ai, carefully balanced across different intents, topics, and tags, so you get a solid baseline right from the start. That said, it's still recommended to go through them and delete or deactivate the ones you don't feel relevant, and add new ones whenever you need to. To add a new one, you just click Create Prompt, and you can write your own or let Nimt.ai generate them for you based on your focus area. You can select one or multiple tags, choose an intent, and Nimt will create new prompts for you in seconds. They will start running right away, and we will track how AI recommends your brand and your competitors within those prompts. I believe it's simple, fast, and clear. And that's prompt management in Nimt, the foundation of how your visibility is measured and improved. This is the overview in Nimt. It gives you a clear snapshot of how your brand performs across AI platforms. You will see your AI visibility, share of voice, ranking, top-cited domains, all updated daily. You can instantly tell whether your performance is trending up or down compared to the previous period. You can also filter by tags to see how your brand performs within specific areas. Each tag connects to the related prompts, and if you want, you can select one or several to dive deeper into performance. And that's powerful when you want to understand where you might need to strengthen your visibility, especially if competitors are performing better in certain topics. You can also filter by intent to see how your visibility looks across the entire buyer journey. The available intents are informational, consideration, branded, transactional, and post-purchase. This gives you a full funnel view of your brand's AI presence, from awareness to advocacy. If you want to go deeper, you can. You can break it down by AI model, for example, ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, or Perplexity. And you can switch the time period to explore how your performance has changed over time. The overview gives you a complete picture, a live pulse on how AI platforms see, cite, and recommend your brand. This is the AI visibility metric in Nimt. A clear view of how often your brand is mentioned in responses across different AI platforms for your prompts. It tells you if your brand is being recognized and where you might need to focus on improving visibility. At the top, you'll see a visibility leaderboard. Here you can compare your brand with all your competitors, see who's gaining visibility, who's losing it, and how your performance has changed since the previous period. You can also track visibility over time for your own brand, for competitors, or both side by side. That helps you identify longer-term trends and shifts in visibility. You can also break it down by AI model. For example, ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, or Perplexity, to see where your brand is strong and where you might need to improve. You can also filter the results by tag, prompt, or intent to dig into what's really driving visibility. Filtering by prompt lets you zoom into one specific question and see how AI platforms respond to it. And filtering by intent, that gives you a full funnel perspective, whether your brand is visible when people are exploring, comparing, or are ready to buy. Of course, you can also filter by time period to see how your visibility has evolved over time. So, AI visibility gives you a data-driven understanding of how your brand performs across AI platforms, so you know exactly where to focus and grow your presence. This is a share of voice metric in Nimt. It shows the percentage of mentions your brand gets compared to competitors across AI platforms. It's a simple way to understand how much attention your brand is getting in AI search and how that changes over time. At the top, you'll find the share of voice leaderboard. Here you can instantly see how your brand stacks up against competitors and how your share has shifted since the previous period. You can also track how your share of voice evolves over time, either overall or per AI model, to see where you're gaining traction and where you are losing ground. Just like in other views, you can filter by tag, prompt, or intent to uncover what's driving your visibility. And filtering by tag will help you understand which topics or categories your brand dominates and where competitors are taking a larger share. Filtering by prompt lets you see which specific questions AI platforms associate most strongly with your brand. And filtering by intent gives you insight into where your visibility is concentrated, whether it's early in the buyer journey or closer to purchase. You can also break it down per AI model to understand how your brand performs in like ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, Perplexity, Claude, or whatever. Share of voice gives you the competitive context so you can see not only how visible you are, but how much of the AI conversation your brand actually owns. This is the ranking metric in Nimt. It shows your brand's position in AI search results for your prompts. You can instantly see if you are ranked first, second, or further down, and how that compares to your competitors. The ranking view gives you a detailed breakdown of how your brand performs across different prompts and AI platforms. And it's a strong indicator of which brands AI models have top of mind within your category. You can track how your rankings have changed over time, spot shifts in positioning, and understand where your brand is gaining or losing ground. You can filter by tag, intent, prompt to focus on what really drives results. Filtering by tag, for instance, helps you see which topics or categories your brand dominates and where competitors are being prioritized instead. Filtering by intent shows whether your brand appears when users are exploring, comparing, or are ready to buy, giving you a clear view of visibility throughout the funnel. And filtering by prompt lets you zoom in on specific questions to see your exact position for each one. You can also view rankings by AI model, of course, for example, ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, or Perplexity, to understand how each platform perceives and ranks your brand. Ranking gives you clarity, a direct view of how visible your brand really is in AI search and how strongly it's positioned in the minds of the models. This is AI brand strength in Nimt. Your brand's overall score summarizing its performance in AI-driven search. It combines AI visibility, share of voice, ranking to give a single, clear measure of how strong your brand really is across major AI platforms. The higher your score, the stronger your position, and the more consistently AI platforms recognize and recommend your brand. You can track how your brand strength develops over time, compare it against competitors, of course, and see what's driving the change behind your score. If you would like to understand the why behind it, you can dig deeper into specific topics, buyer stages, or AI models to see where your strength is building and where it's fading. So, this metric turns complex performance data into one simple, powerful insight, showing exactly how strong your brand stands in the world of AI-driven search. We've just made the source tracker in Nimt a lot more powerful. Let me show you. It reveals exactly which sources AI platforms rely on when generating answers about your brand, and gives you detailed insight into how those sources shape your visibility. You can see how often each source is cited, what share of total citation it holds, and what type of source it is, earned, aggregated, social, whatever. You'll also see which brands are mentioned in those answers and how your visibility changes depending on the sources AI uses. You can click on any domain to explore deeper. You'll see how often it's cited across your tags, which prompts trigger it, and which brands benefit most from that source's authority. Further down, you can dive into the exact web pages most often cited and discover which intents and topics drive them. You can filter by tag, intent, AI model, or time period to see how your source landscape evolves across different contexts. If Run Repeat or Reddit appears frequently, you'll know exactly where to engage, pitch, or publish to strengthen your brand's footprint. And when competitor pages dominate citations, you'll have the insight to create content that outperforms theirs and take those citations back. Source Tracker basically turns citations into strategy, showing you how AI builds its answers and how to make sure your brand is part of them. This is Boost, maybe the most important feature we have. It is your personal action hub for increasing visibility across AI platforms such as ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, AI Overviews, Perplexity, and more. Every action you see here is generated by Nimt.ai, based on your exact data and performance. Our model knows what actually drives visibility and gives you clear, practical steps to outperform competitors. When a new action appears, just click it and start improving your AI visibility, share of voice, ranking, and share of citations right away. It's simple, it's data-driven, and built to help you win in AI search.